Hello everyone. So today I will be reusing this 10 by 10 canvas and I plan to do a straight pour. Simple, straightforward. This is one of my very first or kind of my very first canvas. So I would like to re-pour on that. So the color that I'll be using, this is off-white. I just made it by mixing white, yellow ochre and a little bit of black. And then this is Diaoxazine purple. This is yellow ochre. And then I have some sap green, burnt sienna, and some light blue. And as always, I have white from acrylic artist loft. I'm not sure I'm going to be using ultramarine blue in this or not. Since this is 10 by 10, we will not need more than 4.5 ounces of paint. So let's begin. I would like to use in the center my off-white that I created. 1:9 antiron titanium white. I thought so. I don't like the south. This is too muddy, but I like the rest of it. I don't like the cell composition at all. So here's what Dioxazine purple with sap green looks like. I think I did a good thing about adding off-white at the base, and yeah, and I like the burnt sienna over there. And overall, this is unusual color combination, but I thought of giving it a try, and let's see how it dries. I hope it behaves when it dries. So far it looks so vibrant. I think I should have added more gold to it. I think gold all went away. Overall, I like the piece. So this is the dried piece. Let me know what you think of it after drying. I think it looks really beautiful. I'm thinking of it in itself. It is good. I like the negative space right here and all these color combination right here. It's a different color combination. But I would like to embellish it with purple and yellow flowers. Let me know if you agree with that, if you think that will look good, or any other color combination. I'm thinking of either blow flowers right here, or maybe balloon kiss spore, something like that. I still have to think about it, but if you have any idea, I'd love to know about it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.